Ever pondered the origins of the humble hairdryer? A late 19th century marvel, it revolutionized hairstyling when handheld versions appeared in 1920. The secret? Accelerating the formation of temporary hydrogen bonds, giving control over hair shape and style. But the real game changer came with the invention of the portable hairdryer in the 1920s, leading to improvements in safety and power. Fast forward to today, and we have ceramic heating elements, ionic technology, and a variety of attachments. A simple tool with a complex history.